Hello, boys and girls. Today we will be looking at synonyms. We will know what they are. We will identify them in sentences. We will give examples of other synonyms. So what are synonyms? Synonyms are words that have the same meaning or almost the same meaning. Let's look at two sentences. Malia was happy when she saw her friends. Malia was glad when she saw her friends. Which of these phrases would you use to describe how Malia felt in the first sentence? Which phrase would you use to describe how she felt in the second sentence? Which word in the first sentence tells you how Malia felt? Did you say happy? You are correct. Which word in the second sentence tells you how Malia felt? Glad. Well, children, did the words change the meaning of the sentences? No, they didn't. The words happy and glad both gave the same meaning. Because they have the same meaning, they are called synonyms. Let's look at these two sentences. Kai ran a quick lap and won the race for his team. Kai ran a fast lap and won the race for his team. Which word in sentence 2 means the same as quick in sentence 1? If you said fast, you are correct. So we agree that fast and quick have the same meaning. What do we call words that have the same meaning again, children? Right. They are called synonyms. In our definition earlier, we learned that synonyms are words with similar meaning. Let's look at an example of words with similar meaning. We have the word hot, and we also have the word warm. We know that hot has a higher temperature than warm. Although their meanings are not exactly the same, there are similarities. Let's look at this sentence. The children went to the beach because it was a hot day. Now, let's see what happens when we replace the word hot with warm. The children went to the beach because it was a warm day. Has the meaning of this sentence changed? So hot and warm convey the same meaning when used interchangeably in the sentence. Remember, synonyms are words that have the same meaning or almost the same meaning. Paul went to a party. He said he had a great time. Now let's look at this sentence. We want to find a synonym for the word great. We have exceptional, we have wonderful. What word would you use? Good, but I would use the word wonderful. So let's read the sentence with the word wonderful. Paul went to a party. He said he had a wonderful time. So you see that great and wonderful, they both have the same meaning. Let's look at the next sentence. The clown was great. Another word we could use for great is fantastic. Very good, children. Let's move on to the next one. Even the presents were great. Another word we could use for great here is awesome. Very good, children. Now, boys and girls, looking at all these sentences, we see that synonyms bring our writing to life. So there we have it, boys and girls. Synonyms are very important. We use them so we do not reuse the same words when writing. Now let's go to another activity. Now look at each box and identify the pair of synonyms. So first box, we have angry, mad, and anxious. Which pair did you identify as the synonyms? Angry and mad. Excellent. The next box is early, late, and punctual. Which words did you choose? Which of them are the synonyms? Early and punctual. Very good. You are correct. And the final box, we have the words fracture, break, and mend. Did you choose fracture and break? Well done, children. Now there you have it, boys and girls. Today, you have learned what synonyms are, you have identified pairs of synonyms, and we have found synonyms for given words. Now, children, as you read, look out for those synonyms. See you next time. Bye.